Hey guys, today we're going to learn a little bit about plotting points in the coordinate graph. This is actually right here. This visual is a coordinate graph. All right, what makes it a coordinate graph is that it has an x-axis and a y-axis. Okay, your x-axis is your horizontal line. Forgive my writing, guys. And your y-axis is your vertical line. Okay, so a coordinate graph is essentially a number line that goes horizontally and a number line that goes vertically. So your x-axis, your horizontal number line, and your y-axis, your vertical number line. The only other thing we need to go over is that they meet at 0, 0, and there's a special word for where they meet, where they connect. This is called the origin of the graph. All right, so that's pretty much the most important stuff, vocabulary-wise, you need to know for this section. All right, I'm going to move on now. So now we're going to work on plotting points. Okay, so anytime we plotted a point, I hope you guys remember this, it's always x, comma, y. All right, that's how your coordinate goes. So your x is your horizontal and your y is your vertical. Okay, so if I was to plot a point, let's say right here, I want to know what point that is. Okay, sorry that not look like the perfect dot ever. But I want to know what point that is. So we're going to fill in my coordinate. What is my x term and then what is my y term? Well, your x is your over, right? Your horizontal. So to get to this point, how many do we go over on this horizontal line? Well, we have to go over to 1. So our x is a positive 1 because it's a positive 1 on our graph. Now we have to look, where are we going? Well, for this one, we're going up. So at what line on your vertical line, okay, what number on that vertical line is our dot? Well, you would go up, what, 3. So this is 1, comma 3. Guys, that's essentially just how you name a point. I tried to make it super, super easy. So let's try a few more. Let's clear this again. I'm going to go a tiny bit faster. So I'm actually going to put a few points on this graph. I'm going to put one here. All right, let's call this point A. I'm going to put one right here. We're going to call that point B. All right, and I'm going to put another right here. And we're going to call that point C. All right, guys, so I want to know what the coordinates of A, B, and C are. All right, so I'm going to write them out. A, B, and C. All right, remember, it's a coordinate point, so you have an x, comma, y. So let's look at A. A is all the way over here. So we're going to look at what is our x value. So if we were to look at our x value, you have to go all the way over to -5 until you reach the A. So our x value would be -5. Now, where do we go from -5? Are we going up or down? Well, we're going up. And if you go all the way up, A goes to the 6th unit on the y-axis, so our y term would be 6. All right, let's try B now. B is all the way down here. First, we have to look at our x-axis. Where are we going? It is 2 over in the positive direction on our x-axis number line. So it's going to be a positive 2 for our x value. Now we're going to do our y. Where does it go on the y? Well, it goes down 1, 2. And if we go over, it hits at the -2 on the y-axis. So it would be 2 comma -2 for our y value. Now let's look at C. Let's look at our x value for C. How many do we go over? Well, we go over -4 for C. So the x value would be -4 for our C term. And now we want to know what the y value is going to be. So from here you go down 2 because C is at a -2 on the y-axis. So it would be -4 comma -2 for your y value. So that is how you would label those three. This is the lesson for today. I hope you guys, use this as a review. I hope we kind of remember this and this is bringing it back. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye.